Hey guys, welcome back to another Quick Phone video. In today's video, we're talking about Visible Wireless, or Visible by Verizon. It used to be called Visible Wireless, but now, of course, it's Visible by Verizon, just letting, or emphasizing that it is powered by Verizon, guys. So let's get into it. Today's video, we're talking about the new iPhone 16e. Of course, you can get it on us. So, or should I say on Visible. Really good promotion. And guys, remember this is on Verizon's network, which is the #1 network in the United States. So here's all the promo. Says get iPhone 16e on us. We'll click learn more in a little bit. It says purchase iPhone 16e 128 gigabytes on the Visible Plus plan, and we'll give you a $25 a month in service credits for 24 months. That's $600 in savings, guys. Wow. So not bad. Also, they're basically kind of like remember, Visible is all prepaid, but of course you would probably finance this. You will finance this, I believe, on your service monthly credit. Let's go ahead and take a look. So here's a little bit more information on here. So it says new member. So right off the bat, it's telling you have to be a new member. Save up to $600 via a monthly service credit. So of course, you'll get a discount off your service every month. This is join Visible on a new line of service. Purchase an eligible device on device payments or on full retail price. So you can buy this phone outright, or you can do phone payments via a firm if you do qualify for that. It says select the Visible Plus plan. Remember, there's two plans, and we'll go over that in just a sec, but you will have to be on the Visible Plus plan. Pay the applicable sales tax on the pre-credit price and activate your service within 30 days. This offer does end on the 14th, so you got about 5 days from this while supplies last, subject to change. Eligible device includes the iPhone 16e. Remember, you have to get the 16e. So like I said, it says new members will receive a $25 discount off monthly service for the promotional period of 24 months. So this is almost not locking you in, but kind of locking you in for 2 years or 24 months with the purchase of an eligible device via device loan or full retail purchase. So like I said, you can finance this through a firm or just pay it outright. If purchased in full device costs include applicable sales tax and fees is required to be paid. If financed via a firm, like I said, a firm is the one that does finance through Visible. A device purchase, a firm financing subject to credit approval through a firm. Standard monthly service pricing applies once the full promotional value is applied. Monthly promotional credit will stop if the member is not on the now current Visible Plus $45 a month plan, or is eligible, or if eligibility requirements are not longer met. It says monthly service credit is not transferable, not redeemable for cash, and has no cash value. Members must maintain service on the Visible Plus, so you cannot change to the regular Visible plan. You have to be on the Plus plan, which does cost $45 a month. If you do change your plan, guys, you will lose those monthly credits, which is a $25 discount, which at that point you're doing yourself no justice, basically. Of course, it's for 24 consecutive months to get full benefits of the promotion. No value will be provided. So basically, every month for 2 years, you get a single credit of $25, which after the 2 years adds up to the $600. It says the member is responsible for all applicable taxes and fees. Service credits may not be combined with some offers or discounts. Minimum monthly service payment of $5 a month applies. Promotion is void where prohibited, taxed, or otherwise restricted. Limited time offer. Of course, they do have the right to terminate your service anytime. So let's go ahead and click learn more right here, and we'll take us to the screen. So remember, it's the iPhone 16e, free shipping, pay in full or finance, save $600 on the Visible Plus plan. Like I said, you got about 4 days and 16 hours for this promotion. So you can see pay full price or finance, and that's what we just read earlier. It looks like the white's the only color that they have available, but here's the 16e, which they replaced the iPhone SE 3rd generation and all the home buttons. You know what I mean? So the black or the white, the black definitely looks nice, but the white is good as well if you put a case on it. But of course, the black one's sold out. You can only get it in 128. It looks like all the other colors are sold out because this is a really good promotion, guys. Of course, device unlock policy. It is you have to have this phone active on Visible for at least 60 days. After 60 days, it will unlock. The device is yours because you are financing through a firm. And remember, you are responsible even if you leave, shall I say, Visible. You still have to make those monthly payments through a firm. If not, it will affect your credit. you can pay the $600, or it's a $16.64 monthly credit for. So basically, if you finance it $16.64 a month for 36 months, but remember you're getting $600 or $25 for 2 years of bill credits. So after the 2 years are over, you still have a year of paying $16.64, but technically you did save $600, guys. Of course, you can get the visible protection plan. It is basically insurance, which is through the Apple Care, which is just pretty nice. And if you have a device to trade in. Let's see what's so cool about this phone. So it's the iPhone 16e. It's built with Apple Intelligence. So that's another cool thing that this phone does have. It's powered by the A18 chip. Shoots super high resolution photos with 48 megapixel fusion camera. Supersized battery life, which is definitely a lot better than the SE models. Like I said, a good single camera. Durable design, brilliant display, action button. Does not have a camera button. Satellite features, privacy. Pretty cool, I would say. So, what do you guys think? Let's look at the plans real quick. That way, you guys know the plans. So remember, there are 2 plans currently. So remember, this is 45, but you get it for 35. For that promo, I believe you do have to get the 45. But they've made it a little bit better. Here's the big difference. So you remember, you have to stay on the Visible Plus plan. Cannot go on the Visible. Even though this one's cheaper, you don't want to get this one either way. The $25 plan is unlimited data, talk, and text on Verizon's 5G and 4G speed, block high-risk spam robocalls. Video streaming is up to 480p SD quality, guys. That's a big thing for me. And also, this plan does not have any priority data, even though it doesn't say this. It should say, priority data. Priority data is a big thing, especially if you live in a big city or are always going to crowded places like concerts, fairs, or just live in a big city. A lot of people are on Verizon. Your speeds are going to be slowed, which that was the issue I had with Visible when I did try this plan. Now, you do have unlimited use of your phone as a Wi-Fi connection, so unlimited hotspot. I believe that one is throttled to 5 megabits per second. You do get international unlimited talk and text to Mexico and Canada. Global Pass starts at $5 a day. Now, if you go to the Visible Plus plan, which is the one I currently have and would suggest, you get premium network experience on Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network. So instead of just regular 5G, you do get 5G ultra wideband, which is like 4 or 5 times faster than 5G. You do get 50 gigs of premium data on Verizon's 5G and /4G LTE network. If you're on the 5G ultra wideband, you do not get that data allotment does not go towards that. Does block high risk spam and robocalls. You do save $10 a month on Verizon home internet if you qualify. Smartwatch, should I say, plan is included, saves you $10 a month. And finally, they not too long ago they did bump up the video stream to 720 HD. It says limited use of the hotspot. I believe this one is 5 actually, and this one you get double speeds at 10 megabits per second. You do get a lot more international talking to Mexico and Canada, unlimited talk, text, and 2 gigabytes of data per day in Mexico and Canada, calling to 30 plus countries, and unlimited texting to 200 plus. 1 global pass day per month included, a $10 a month savings. So not too bad at all, guys. So like I said, here's a little bit more of disclaimer. Smartwatch plan, this $10 is included. Video streaming, Verizon home internet discounts, premium data. So there it is. So remember, priority data, it's a big thing. Priority data, you will have faster speeds. There it is. The hotspot is 5 on the regular, 10 on the plus. And basically calling to 300 plus or 30 plus countries, you get 500 minutes. Versus on this one, you don't. Unlimited texting, you do get on here. You do get data here to Mexico, 2 gigs of high-speed data per day. Not bad. And if you want to do any other traveling, you do get 12 days of global pass included per year, or 1 day of global pass included monthly. So global pass is basically when you go to a different country, you can use your phone charge free. They won't charge you for that. But you do only get 12 days or 1 day per month. And of course, free shipping overnight shipping on the more expensive plan. But overall, what you guys think? That's just my 2 cents on it. I think it's a good promo, actually. So check it out, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Check out the description below to support the channel. More video coming your way. Thank you.